I am Pratyush Bhaskar from Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. This year marks the 26th anniversary of Modern Plastics India and 14th year in operation of Modern Plastics TV. On this auspicious occasion, we are joined in by Mr. Amanpreet Singh Bhurji, the director of this wonderful company, Bhurji Supertek Industries Ltd. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on this auspicious occasion.
My
If you could
pleasure.
run us through your wonderful journey, the way you put this company, I presume it's more than decades old company. You've seen this company go thick and thin. If you could run us through your key milestones as well.
Sure. So I'll tell you. So we started in 1969, and I'm a second generation entrepreneur. So it was started by my father, Mr. 𝐒𝐫𝐧 Singh Bhurji. He started with a single lathe machine. That's how our journey started from 1969, and 80s we moved into plastics, and early 80s. In fact. We were one of the first companies to import 1,000 tons and above injection molding machines from Taiwan. And initially, we tied up with automotives, Suzuki, right? But our the main turnaround was that we developed. Uh, so this is I'm talking about 80s. So my dad he first developed the toolings for the TV, the plastic toolings. So that was the first turnaround I would say for us, and gradually we moved into appliances. Early 90s, we started with our own brand of air coolers in tech. So this was beginning of 92, and we did air coolers in our own brand till 99, year 99. But thereafter, our focus shifted to OEMs only. So, to tell you more about the services we are into, so basically, there are three main verticals in our business. So, the heart of our business is our tooling. That's where our journey started, and today still it is. So, when I talk about tooling, we are manufacturing dies and molds for home appliances, kitchen appliances, lighting, and automotive industry. And I can uh, show you some of the components that we have showcased here. So that is our forte. That is our main strength. We have, apart from manufacturing, the engineering, simulation, everything we have it in house. And the second vertical of our business is injection moldings. So we have about 42 machines, and we have machines ranging from 40 tons to 2,000 tons. So we are doing moldings again for appliances industries. Like we supply a lot of geyser moldings to brands like Jaguar, Havells. Then we do a lot of kitchen appliances moldings too. So the third vertical of my business is the air coolers. For that, we are basically OEMs to brands such as Bajaj, Hindware, Havells, Kelvinator, BPL, to name a few. So presently we are based out of Bhiwadi. So we have around 24,000 square meters area, and everything like the tooling, molding, and the assembly, everything is under one roof. It's all consolidated. It's a one-stop solution, and right from designing, mold manufacturing, molding to finished product. So it's all under one roof. So as you can see, these are some of the customers that prestigious customers that we've been catering to. Yeah.
So that's quite impressive. Trust me, that's what India is all about, family-run businesses. That brings us to a very important question. Now that we talked about the micro perspective, let's go to the macro perspective. Since you've seen a lot of discussion, gaining momentum with regards to the FTA between India and European Union. Now that even America is falling in line with BTA we recently signed. Too much of talks around that. Do you think this is going to heat up the whole export market?
I Yes, definitely it will. I think it's a good sign, right? And there's a lot of scope, especially when we talk about the plastic industry. And as you know, like when I talk about the plus one strategy, So you can see the industry is already gaining a lot of momentum. Now, companies like Apple, all the big companies, so they are setting up their assembly plants here. A lot of Indian companies are doing manufacturing for all these products. Uh, Apple iPhones are today, I think, are made in India. So of course, I think it will. Of course, it's a positive this thing, and it will further the the momentum of the plastic industry will definitely increase. Yeah, there's a lot of scope. Yes.
Finally, sir, since our Modern Plastics India as a platform is running into its 26th year, a word or two to the platform, what we should do to create a better ecosystem for plastic industry to grow India as well as worldwide.
See, one thing I'll tell you that now I've been connected with modern plastics for a couple of years now. So I personally feel that it's an excellent platform for the plastic industry, be it uh, whether you are a raw material supplier, or you are a manufacturer, or you make machines. I think it's a perfect platform where you get to meet the right audience for your product or your service. So I'm really happy. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. On that positive note, we wish you all the luck, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So I would like to congratulate Modern Plastics on their 26th anniversary, and I think it's an excellent platform for the plastic industry, and where personally, if I talk about myself, so we've been connected for a couple of years with this network, and we are able to get the right audience for our products and services. So I just want to wish them luck. Just keep up the good work. Yeah, thank you.